think I hate you.
A little bit.
Yeah, I hate you.
Joseph.
You want me to love you?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please like, share and subscribe. If you're returning, subscribe and most definitely welcome. So Joseph Dary has announced that he has lost his baby. He wrote on his Instagram story, "My kid was killed by the carrier. No more baby on the way. I need space for a few weeks." This is sad to hear, but I've got a lot of questions. I don't know if it's pain or what, but of late, Joseph has been calling Jai Amora with bad names. He even said, "I don't know if the child is mine. He doesn't have money and she doesn't have a house. That's why she was squatting at my place." You can look for this video on Swonabile's live, where he was actually saying all the bad names about her. So was Jai Amora supposed to keep the baby after all this? And she also wrote, she responded to all the things that Joseph Dary has said. She said, "Kabanga usubizwa ngekeria sana." It's so bad. Why would Joseph call her carrier? As if she was a surrogate or so. I don't know what you guys think about this, but I just feel like Joseph Dary is so respectful sometimes. I love him, but sometimes he's just too much. Did Amora just dodge a bullet? And the other thing is, there's a live that she did, and after Joseph went to Sonwabile, Jai Amora did a live, and she actually showed her stomach, and she said she's not pregnant. But Joseph said, "We did a test together and the test was positive." And he was saying, "I think she's going to abort." Was this like, are they looking for followers? Because I've got a feeling that these people are chasing cloud. I don't know what you guys think. But Joseph Dary has deleted everything on his Instagram's page except for 3 posts, and he said he's going to be away for some time. I think on his social media platforms, you are not going to see him posting anything. Joseph is playing the victim here. If you can hear what he's saying, I'm like, he's the one who is in pain, because Jai Amora is continuing with the life. Then Joseph is saying he's going to be out of social media for some weeks. And Jai Amora, we're supposed to be crying. I don't know if she's supposed to be crying or what, because Joseph Dary was calling her all nasty things, and now there is abortion, there's what, I think there's a lot. I don't know what you guys think about this whole thing of Joseph playing victim and calling all sorts of names to Jai Amora. And Joseph said that she doesn't have a car, she's the breadwinner, the father expects her to give him money. There's a lot that Joseph said. So he's just full of drama. That's what I can say. Joseph is full of drama. Let me know, guys, what you think about this whole situation.
No smiles. We serious in this business.
Nobody fight.
Yeah? What's effect?
That effect.
In dimples.
Dimples.
Nah, I don't have dimples. I only date guys with dimples.
I only date guys with dimples.